Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to earn your first 1 million pesos. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to earn your first 1 million pesos. Earning or saving a million pesos is a significant financial milestone for many people. The steps to achieve this goal are similar to earning $1 million, with the key difference being that you're dealing with the currency of the Philippines, which is Philippine peso. Here's how you can work toward saving or earning $1 million pesos. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial goals in Philippine pesos, making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or smart. Number 2, create a budget. Develop a budget in pesos to track your income and expenses, helping you manage your finances effectively. Number 3, increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income in pesos, such as finding a higher paying job, acquire new skills, starting a business, or pursuing investment opportunities. Number 4, save and invest. Prioritize saving a significant portion of your income in pesos and invest it in wisely. Consider options like Pesos, Philippine stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Number 5, avoid debt. Minimize high interest debt in pesos like credit card debt and work on paying it quickly. Be strategic with good debt, such as loans for assets that appreciate in value. 6. Live below your means. Avoid overspending and live below your means, allowing you to save more pesos for your financial goals. 7. Most important one is to build multiple income streams. Diversity your income sources in pesos to reduce financial risk. This can include investments, part-time work, freelance opportunities, and passive income. Number 8. Network and build relationships. Networking can lead to opportunities, partnerships, and connection that can help you increase your income and reach your financial goals. Number 9, most important also, educate yourself. Invest in your education and skills, which can boost your earning potential and make you more competitive in your field in the Philippines. Number 10, be patient and persistent. Accumulating wealth in pesos takes time, so be prepared for setbacks and stay committed to your financial goals. Number 11, seek professional advice. Consider consulting with financial advisors, accountants, or investment professionals who are knowledgeable about financial landscape in the Philippines. 12, stay informed. Keep yourself updated on the Philippine financial trends, economic conditions, and investment opportunities to make informed decisions. 13, embrace risk strategically. When taking calculated risk, do so with an understanding of potential outcomes and well thought out plan, taking into account the financial environment in the Philippines. 14, most important also, is giving back. Once you achieve your financial goals in pesos, consider philanthropy and giving back to your community in the Philippines. It is important to note that economic conditions and opportunities can vary from one country to another, so it's essential to tailor your financial strategies to the specific financial landscape in the Philippines. Whether you're aiming for $1 million pesos or any other financial goal, careful planning and discipline are key to your success. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to earn your first 1 million pesos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.